story, a story. We do not really mean what we're about to say is true. There was once a village. It was going through hunger problems, but except one family in the village in specific. It was the tortoise's family. He had a very secret lake that he would do every morning. It was special to his family because it was their only way of food during that hunger. So he would go there every morning and he would fish for his young ones and for his wife. The tortoise was on his way back from hunting, then suddenly the leopard pops out and says, "What do you have in your basket?" And then the tortoise replied, "Nothing," but with the leopard's keen sense of smell, he said, "You have fish, now give me some." And then the leopard was, "No, it's for my family, and you killed my mother, so I shall never give you food." And then the leopard said, "Then I might as well kill you and take the fish." And then the tortoise said, "Okay, I will give you some. Just wait here, and I will bring the salt and pepper. While I'm gone, make a campfire so that we can cook the fish right now." The tortoise came back and suggested they play a game while the fish cooks. It was called Tighten and Looser. This game was opposite. So Tighten was looser and looser was Tighten. And the tortoise ran around the leopard several times with this rope playing the game. And this tortoise was very clever. So what he did is he ran around him, and when the tortoise told the leopard, "Tighter," the leopard said, "Tighter, tighter, tighter," said it very loud. And then the tortoise said, "Okay," so he tied him even tighter, and now the leopard couldn't breathe. And after the leopard was tied up, the tortoise ate the food in front of his face and threw the salt and peppers into the leopard's eyes and walked off and came back to his house eventually and gave food to his children. But the story is about the leopard. The leopard stayed there this entire time screaming for help, but everyone was scared of him, so no one wanted to be with him. So they all stayed away from the voice of him screaming out for help until one bush rat got tired of it. He came out and said, "Why are you screaming?" And then the leopard said, "Well, can't you see? I'm tied." And then the bush rat said, "Well, find someone to help you." And the leopard said, "No one wants to help me. They're scared of me." And the bush rat said, "Well, I'll help you." The bush rat bit all the ropes off until the leopard was set loose, and the leopard was very hungry. So instead of thanking and apologizing for the inconvenience, the leopard instead pounced at the poor bush rat and scarred all his descendants for the rest of his life with 3 stripes on his back. That's why up to this date, the bush rat has 3 scars on his back.